what he does there is either he grabs his knife, or he feeds his knife to his hand. That's the problem. Now I have a new problem. That one. So I don't care if it's you reach for a blade or you give the blade to your other hand. Now this position becomes even more important because now you have to hide away from that one. Okay? So can you all come closer? Because there's going to be just sit down like little kids. Alright, so look here. This is where all the magic happens. When he feeds the knife, I don't block like this because he'll cut open my things. Here it's like we have, what is it, 5 minutes or something, and then higher up is 2 minutes, throat 30 seconds. Or what is it? A couple of seconds. So if you get the throat for every heartbeat, it's like one full of those cold off his blood. So you have like 2 seconds before you pass out. So when he gets the blade, you are defending like this. Yes, you can get cut. That's part of the deal. But what you, like I said before, you're trying to minimize damage. But I need to, in the perfect world, this is what you're going to do. When I block this one, I just block it so he's not feeding it to me, and then I'm going to pin it into him. You get that? So feed it slow. There, and then you pin it into him. Everyone get me this far? You're going to rotate your hand, and then you're going to cup his wrist, and you're going to feed it like that. This happens quick, because if not, then he'll feed it again, and again. So you have that, and you pin it in. From here, I'm going to release this grip, and I'm going to do this C-grip. I'm going to C-grip this one, and my head is where? Shoulder, right? I'm going to push my head in between his neck. There. And I'm going to run. Switch to my other control. So in Greco-Roman wrestling, you've probably seen this. You're on the underhook, and usually they control like this. This is where the position is from. You see that? So when he goes here, he feeds the blade, there, and you pin it in. Don't hike it into you, there, and then pin it into him. Because if you pull it towards you, you can cut your own balls off. So you pin it into him, out. When you go this, I'm being nice, I put my hand on his neck. This is actually a little bit of a cut, right there. You shoot his hand, you see grip there, and you run as fast as you fucking can. You run, You run, and then you drive it to this other side, and you get 2-1 control on the opposite side. Yes, so you have to run control. I'm saying run so he doesn't reload the weapon. If you take any martial artist, black belt, that doesn't matter, any martial artist, and you push them like this, and you run a little bit fast, you make any other martial artist to a pedestrian. Full game. Because you don't have base, you don't have mobility, you're just going backward. You have no stance, you have no power. That cuts out a lot of bullshit. So the only thing I'm worried about is him going towards me with the blade. So, there, gets the blade. There, pin it in, and tuck it into him. You slam your face either to his face, and then you put it in the neck for training, in the neck, and you push. And you get your 2-1 control on that. That's your route. That's the first route. There's another one, but I'll start with this one first. So I'll take the black room like this. So you'll start here. Usually it's like this, and he's punching me, boom, boom. I'm defending, boom, there, oh, shit. There, and then you run, and then you're here. That's how it looks like. So one more time. When you do it, start it from when he has the blade already. You defend a little bit. When you're ready, pin it into him, rotate your grip, tuck it to his belt, run your face to his neck, see grip the hand, keep pushing. There. Alright, and you know that I'm sliding my neck or my face here to here. Yeah, it's okay. If I go like this, I also have that as a head button. I can continue. It's okay, shit can happen on the way. But in under control, I push into his chest and back out. Okay, if you have questions, just ask me in the email, we'll show you.